Good morning, children. Today I am going to give you the CW of our fifth lesson, and I am going to explain you the fifth lesson CW. After completion of explanation of this CW, I have uploaded these pics on our school assignments app. Download the pictures and complete the CW. Okay. So what is the title of our lesson? A trip to market. A trip to market. I have already explained you this lesson. This lesson is all about a mother and the boy. A mother and the boy. They both went to the market. In that market, they bought so many things. What are they? Vegetables, fruits, and they also bought the balloons. And the boy made his friends. They did lot of things while they went to the market. So that is the story of a trip to market. Let us see the CW part of a trip to market. Our first section is new words. What were the new words we have seen in this lesson? Yeah, all vegetable names. So children, you must by heart these spellings, okay? These all are the names of vegetables, okay? Let us read the first one. BRINJAL, brinjal. BRINJAL, brinjal. So this is the picture of brinjal. And our next word is potato. What is the spelling of potato? POTATO, potato. POTATO, potato. This is the picture of potato. And our third word is capsicum. What is the spelling of capsicum? CAPSICUM, capsicum. CAPSICUM, capsicum. So this is the picture of capsicum. CABBAGE, cabbage. CABBAGE, cabbage. So it is the picture of cabbage. Okay. Let us see our fifth word. TURNIP, turnip. TURNIP, turnip. So this is the picture of turnip. So these 5 words are the names of vegetables. Okay. Our next section is singular and plural. Singular means only one. Plural means many. Okay. Market. MARKET, market. MARKETS, markets. VEGETABLE, vegetable. VEGETABLES, vegetables. BALLON, balloon. BALLONS, balloons. Okay children, let us see meanings. What is the first word? DOZEN, dozen. DOZEN, dozen. What is the meaning of dozen? A set of 12. A set of 12 is nothing but dozen. For example, dozen bananas. That means 12 bananas. Okay. Our next word is greengrocer. What is the spelling of greengrocer? GRENGROCER, greengrocer. So what is the meaning of greengrocer? A person who sells vegetables. A person who sells vegetables is known as greengrocer. Okay. Let us see our next section. Opposites. Opposites means exactly the opposite meaning of the given word. Okay. Friend. What is the opposite of friend? Enemy. What is the opposite of take? Give. What is the opposite of big? Small. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. What is the opposite of hot? Cold. Okay. So our next section is joining of words. Joining of words. See how to join two words. Black plus board. We have to combine these two words and we have to make it as a same word. Okay. Black plus board is equal to blackboard. Butter plus 5 is equal to butterfly. Rain plus drop is equal to raindrop. Play plus ground is equal to playground. Grass plus hopper is equal to grasshopper. Okay. Blackboard, butterfly, raindrop, playground, grasshopper. In this way, we have to combine the both words and we have to make the both words as one word. Okay, children? Let us see our next section. Question and answers. So, what is the first question? Where does the mother and the boy go? Where does they went? Where does they go? Yeah, they went to a market. Where does the mother and the boy go? They went to a market. So, by what purpose they went to market? To buy vegetables and fruits and to meet the boy's friends. In this purpose, the mother and boy went to where? Where they went? They went to a market. Where does the mother and the boy go? They went to a market. So let us see our second question. What is that question? How did they go to market? How did they go to market? They go to market by walk or what? Yes, they went to the market by bus. By taking a bus, they went to market. How did they go? They went to market by using a bus. By taking a bus, they went to the market. Who went to the market? The boy and his mother went to the market. Who went to the market? The boy and his mother. How did they go? They go to the market by using a bus or by taking a bus. They went to the market. Why they have to take the bus? Because the market is far away from their house. The market is far away from their house. So they took a bus and they went to the market by bus. Okay. So see our third question. What are the things mother and boy buy in the market? So what are the things they bought in the market? See how they bought all the things. What are the things they bought in the market? Yes, they bought, what they bought first? Oranges. What they bought? They bought oranges, bananas. Oranges and bananas are fruits, right? Brinjals, peas, cabbage and green chilies. These four are the vegetables. And the boy also brought 2 shiny balloons. And what he bought for himself? The mother bought him 2 shiny balloons. Okay. First they bought fruits. which are oranges and bananas. Then they bought vegetables. What are they? Brinjals, peas, cabbages and green chilies. And they also bought the 2 shiny balloons. So you have understood the CW part, right? How you have to write? By leaving a line. First you have to put the heading as lesson 5, a trip to market. After that you have to keep the heading new words. After that you have to leave a line and you have to write very neatly. I have put these pictures on our school app in the assignment section. Okay, in the assignment icon of English you have to search for these pictures. Okay, see children, many of you didn't send me your CW. So if you didn't send me your CW, you didn't get marks. Okay, so you have to write the CW with a neat handwriting and send those pictures to me. Okay children, is it clear for you? So you have to find the pictures of our CW in the school app in the assignment icon of English. Okay. So today's homework is you have to complete the CW of lesson 5 and you have to send me the pictures of lesson 5. Okay. So repeat the lesson after me. Lesson 5, a trip to market. What is the spelling of trip? T-R-I-P, trip. A trip to market. Okay children, repeat the lesson after me. New words. N-E-W, new, W-O-R-D-S, new words. Brinjal, B-R-I-N-J-A-L, brinjal. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. C-A-P-S-I-C-U-M, capsicum. C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. T-U-R-N-I-P, turnip. So our next section is singular and plural. Market, markets. Vegetable, vegetables. Balloon, balloons. So our next section is meanings. So children, write one by one section by leaving a line and with a good handwriting write neatly and write slowly. Okay, our next section is meanings. What is the first one? Dozen. What is the meaning of dozen? A set of 12. Dozen, a set of 12. Greengrocer. Who is a greengrocer? A person who sells vegetables are known as greengrocer. Okay, next, opposites. What is the opposite of friend? Enemy. Take, give, big, small, hot, cold. Our next section is joining of words. There are 2 words are given to us and you have to make those 2 words as one word. Okay, repeat after me. Black plus board, blackboard. Butter plus fly, butterfly. Rain plus drop, raindrop. Play plus ground, playground. Grass plus hopper, grasshopper. Okay, our next section is question and answers. Okay, where does the mother and the boy go? They went to a market. How did they go to market? They went to market by bus. What are the things mother and boy buy in the market? They bought oranges, bananas, brinjals, peas, cabbage and green chilies and 2 shiny balloons. So children, while you are writing the CW part, you have to read each and every spelling of the CW. Okay, so you have to complete the lesson 5 textbook part and the lesson 5 CW part. Okay children, this is your homework today. Thank you.